Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to watch TikTok videos without an account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. First of all, be sure you've installed TikTok. Now open the app on your phone. I'm still logged into my account, so first of all, I'll log out of my account and then show you how to watch TikTok videos without any account. So let me log out real quick. Go to settings and privacy, scroll down and then press on the logout option. I'm almost done. Stay with me. So yeah, log out. So let's wait for it to load. And I've logged out of my account. So as you can see here, I've not logged into any account. So to watch TikTok videos without any account, you will simply have to install TikTok on your phone. Tap on the home option right besides the friends option and you can easily see all the TikToks. But you'll have to keep in mind that you cannot share a TikTok video without creating an account. But you can easily see others' TikTok videos. You'll simply have to scroll down like you usually did when you had an account, and that's it. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.